My telegram link in the comment section and description. Go and join the telegram channel, message me for more updates. You will get good signals over there. Okay, welcome back to another brand new, sorry for these many video, brand new video, part 9 I think so I supposed before the starting video I'm gonna tell you something about our mentorship. Which I'm teaching you in this video. There's just 10 to 15% content, that's it. 15 to 20, 15, 10 to 15% of the content, that's it. Okay, don't trade on these topics. Okay, don't go to real amount and don't trade on these topics. Okay, because your capital may be in risk. Okay, I'm gonna we just before completed our Telugu mentorship. Okay, Telugu course. Okay, there we are planning again for Telugu batch, English batch, Hindi batch, 3 batches on this Monday. On this Monday we're gonna start on this by Monday. There, what is the benefit of joining mentorship? There I will show you what is the trading. Okay, there I will show you what is the trading. I will show live trading. Okay, how to predict this candle. Okay, everything. You can get signals over there. You will get live signals over there. You can compound or anything. We have weekly one time compounding session, that to 5-step compounding session every day, 2 to 3 signals in live stream. Okay, if you want interested, do join Telugu, Hindi, English. Okay, for example I will show you something right here. What's this candle? Next candle will be, what's this next candle will be? I'm gonna predict this next candle will be a green candle. Okay, this candle will be a this next candle will be a green candle for sure. Okay, what's the reason behind that? Everything you will know in the mentorship. Okay, everything you will know in the mentorship. Okay, try to join. Don't waste money on trading. Okay, first invest money on learning. Okay, first invest money on learning, then start earning. Okay, don't deposit capital and don't trade directly into the don't come directly into the market and don't trade. Okay, that will be risk. Okay, that will be a risk. Just learn first. Okay, pay some fee. I will tell you what's the fee. Okay, what's the fee I will tell you over there for batches. Join there, you will get to know good content, what's the trading, what not the trading. Okay, you will recover in that live stream sessions. Okay, you can recover your live stream sessions. Okay, don't waste money on trading, bro. Don't trade if you without knowledge. Don't trade, you won't success. Okay, one day you will make loss. Okay, one day you make loss. What I told you before the starting of the candle, I told you this candle will be a green candle, right? See, it just went to dodgy. That's okay, we can predict this candle. We don't predict this candle. Okay, this is our confirmation candle as a call, but we got refund over here. That's okay, don't trade MTG on this one. Okay, I told you, right? Don't trade MTG on this candle. Don't go for call on this candle. Okay, just join the demo class first. After joining demo you will get to know what's trading. Okay, let's back to the content. After this candle ending I will give you one more sure shot. After this candle ending I will give you one more sure shot. Okay, wait a second, wait a 20 seconds. Okay, today our topic is I'm not telling you real content, guys. Okay, I'm giving you real content, but that to 10 to 15% content, that's it. There is no real content in my videos. Okay, there is just 15 to 10 to 15 percentage of content. We go again for right down here, we go again for put right here on this candle, we trade on put here. Okay, so that's it I wanna share with you guys. So let's back to the content. Today our basic topic was ascending descending. Okay, ascending descending, range and size comparison. Okay, range and size comparison. For example, if we wanna do these 3 candles comparison, like if we wanna do 3 candles comparison right here. Okay, the red candle got started here, open, and this is the close right here on the green candle. So what I do now, I will mark the candles are open right here and call right here. Okay, this remaining total body was weak for me. Okay, this is a weak. What's this candle showing? What's this candle showing? Open in downside, close in upside. Okay, this is a bullish candle. They was showing that bullish power. Okay, here we have two candles. Okay, here we have two candles. What's it showing? What is showing that bearish are ascending, right? This is ascending. From they are going to ascending 2 3, right? That means 1 2 3, that means ascending. Okay, bullish. What's bullish showing? 2 right here, 1 right here. Okay, this is showing that 2 1 2 1. Okay, this is showing descending. Bear is showing 2 3 is equal to ascending. Okay, as I told you, this is a sure short win. As a put trade, it's a sure short win already, I told you there. So try to join. That's what my content today, that's what I wanna tell you. That's the reason I'm not uploading any videos, because of busy in schedules, like taking classes for Telugu binary students. Okay, we have Hindi batch, we're gonna start Hindi batch, English batch. We have Telugu batch right now. Present we have Telugu batch. So if you are interested, you can join in any batch. Okay, let's first first learn trading, bro. Then you can achieve your dreams, good dreams. Okay, by investing some money, you can achieve good dreams. You can't trade without like knowledge. That will fail one day. Before failing, before realizing, just join this mentorship. I'm a good mentor. I will get a demo class. If you're really good, if you like the demo class, then you can join the live streams. Okay, that's it for today video. Hope you enjoy the video, everyone. Bye.